Life goes up and it goes down. I know my mom taught me.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today it is very nice here in upstate New York, and I decided to just go ahead and start some spring cleaning. I do have the windows open, the fresh air is amazing. But today I just wanted to show you some areas in your home that you may forget about. So today is just a quick reminder of these areas that you want to make sure you clean during your spring cleaning. So let's go ahead and get right into it. All right, so the first space I am reminding you to clean is to pull out your stove, clean the edges and behind the stove as well. I do want to just mention that while I'm recording this voiceover, I am fighting a sinus infection, so my voice may sound a little bit different. So I am just going to use Easy Off, spray that little area, let it soak for 5 minutes, and it comes off pretty easily. And then I'm just going to wipe down the walls and sweep and mop the floor as well. Next reminder is to clean your washing machine. I just got the Lysol cleaner, and on the side it says 2 uses. There's a little arrow here, so I poured half the bottle into the drum, not where I put the detergent, and then I just put it on hot water for a tub clean, and it did a really good job. We have hard water, and it got a lot of the hard water stains that were like in the rubber seal and stuff, so I definitely will be trying to do this probably at least once a month. And I'm begging, if you have any advice on hard water and laundry, please help a girl out, because I am at my wit's end with the hard water stains.
Doesn't matter what you're gonna say, I just need time right now. I'm going alone tonight.
Third reminder is to clean the ceiling fans. It's going to start to get nice out to turn your fans on, and with the forced air all winter, a lot of dust has accumulated here, so I'm just going to use my e-cloth dusting mitt and go ahead and give these a quick dust.
I don't need nobody else but me, but I'm thinking about the way the way you make me grounded. I'm thinking about the way you used to hold me. Like a sword in the water, singing down, down, down. I'm still falling for you. Forget what I said, just come on over. Oh, forget what I said, just come on over. Oh, forget what I said, just come on over. Sometimes when I'm thinking about us, before we got lost and we parted, back to back we would carry on and we'd do anything for what we started. But this time we could break.
Reminder number 4 is to make sure you clean the inside of your windows. Also, you can clean the actual window on the inside and outside as well. Here I thought that using my dusting mitt was gonna help, but you'll see here in a second it wasn't. So then I grabbed my vacuum, I vacuumed it out, and then there was like actual dirt that must have gotten wet from the rain. So I poured some hot water in here to completely make sure I got it really clean, and I'm happy with how it came out. Now I just need to go ahead and do this to all of the windows in my house. It's pretty time consuming, but I'm just gonna maybe tackle one window a day.
Everything's the same. We'll try tonight. This time we're not safe and sound. Not safe and sound. What if I'm no good for you? What if you're no good for me? Yeah. What if I'm no good for you?
Final reminder is to clean the back of your toilet tanks. Make sure you turn the water off and flush out all the water so there's no water in there. I just sprayed some vinegar and water spray in there, put some gloves on, used an old brush that I had. It did take a while, but it was definitely worth it. And I really hope that you guys enjoyed today's video. We will see you in the next one.
Even if you try